ewé ọdán ṣe jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, ẹran ló fi jẹ. This proverb is both for caution and then it can also mean a derogatory language. Ewé ọdán ṣe jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, ẹran ló fi jẹ. For those who know ewé ọdán, the fig, which we call fig tree here, the leaf is always shining, shining and good to behold, big and shining. When you look at it on the tree, it's shining and it is far away from the goats. But one day, the shiny fig leaf will get old and will drop, and the goats will eat it. It is to tell us that nothing lasts forever. Are you beautiful now? Are you strong now? Please do shakara less. Don't mock those who have gone ahead of you, because one day you get old and that beauty will fade away. Ewé ọdán ṣe jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, ẹran ló fi jẹ. They use it to caution us, and sometimes wicked people use it to tell us that one day I will get you. Torí ewé ọdán ṣe jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, ẹran ló fi jẹ. Be careful when people use this adage for you. Ask them, which one are you saying? Are you giving wisdom to be careful of something, or you are telling me that you will soon catch me? Ewé ọdán ó ṣe jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, ẹran òun ló fi jẹ.